So here we go with one of these. It says find BAC. So just like before, we're going to have to know what angle it wants us to use. So now it's what angle it wants us to find in this situation. So I want that angle. AC is 19. BC is 12. It wants me to find that angle. So it's the same process that I used before. Hypotenuse is over here. Opposites over here. Adjacent's over there. All right, and I've got, and then TOA. So the TOA. I know the opposite. I know the hypotenuse. So those are the two sides that I want to use. I'm going to use the sine. All right, so now sine parentheses equals fraction. If you stick to this system, all right, I don't know the angle this time. Let me put an X in for the angle, and I'll put an X into my diagram. Opposite's 12, hypotenuse is 19. So I can't cross multiply here because the calculator doesn't know what sine of X is. Whenever you're finding an angle, every time, so find angle, all right, use second, and then sine, cosine, or tangent, whichever one we're supposed to use. Okay, so I'm going to hit second sine on my calculator. On my calculator, I hit second and sine. And what it'll do is it'll bring up that little sign with a -1. All right, now it doesn't mean sine to the -1 power, it means sine inverse. And then all you do is put this fraction into those parentheses. Now, you can hit alpha y equals and bring the fraction up, but you don't have to. You can just actually type 12 divided by 19 because fractions and division are the same thing. All right, so you can either do that, or you can end up with this. It is a personal preference. All right, I am lazy, so I don't want to hit alpha y equals to bring the fraction up. I'm just going to type that, and that right there is your angle, 39.166. So 39.166, blah, blah, blah. And it says nearest tenth. So again, just like we've been doing, that means one decimal place, round to 1 using the 6. So 39.2 would be my angle right there. The good news about this is every single one of these sine, cosine, tangent topics where you're finding an angle works exactly the same.